السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم أشرف من إكس فون. اليوم معنا فيديو جديد، والفيديو هو عن الايفون 11 برو والايفون 11 برو ماكس، وحننتقل هلا لفيديو تبع الايفون 11 برو.
Hey, what's up guys? Just got back from the Apple Store, got the new iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And you already know, in today's video, let's go ahead and durability drop test it. So what's particularly interesting about this year's release is Apple is claiming that these are the world's most durable smartphones. The glass is, the front and back, using a new technology, new process to make it. There's a new feeling on it even. I'm very excited to test it out in real life. Now, mine came conveniently dropped from the Apple Store on the corner, very nice. So already had a mild concussion. A little late to this party, but even so I'm still super excited to feel the iPhone 11 for the first time ever. Oof. Okay, so the packaging is different already. Only the it's smaller. I'd say maybe a little less raised than before. Durable glass ever. Wanted to announce giving an iPhone away from any different way. Doing them is because we're finally releasing our below. We're gonna drop it on the side, back, then the front, and go from there. So I think that these will be fairly well equipped for.
طبعا هذا عم يحكي نفس الايفون 11 والايفون 11 برو، انه بده يرميهم من الوسط بعدين للاعلى. طبعا بوضعيات معينه، نفس الفكره.
Start with the 11 Pro. World's most
durable
glass. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There's that one.
أول شي رمى ال 11 برو على راسه، على الحرف تبعه.
Unscathed stainless steel, does scratch of course.
ما صار له شي.
Dent in there, but overall perfect. Let's go to the side. 3, 2, 1.
على الجنب تبعه. دق بالشاشة ده. ضرب.
3, 2, 1. That's a little gnarly, but seems okay. Nothing has happened.
ما صار شي، رمى من المنتصف ما صار شي.
And the back impact. This is one I'm a little scared for because the lenses, it's the entire piece of glass together. We'll change the dynamics here. 3, 2, 1.
بدي ارميه على الظهر.
Before I look at that.
هلا رماه على الظهر.
Pro Max. In 3, 2, 1.
يا لطيف.
Okay, moment of truth, and the ringer switch went off, so that was quite an impact. Okay.
ما صار له شيء.
Survived.
رمان على الظهر وما صار له شيء.
Flawless glass. The shock absorption is amazing. In Apple's advertisements, they had like a bunch of lettuce and soft objects flying at them, but when the concrete's hitting, it seems to do fine too so far. And one more. 3, 2, 1. Face down. Nice little jump. And 3, 2, 1.
طبش الايفون 11 برو ماكس.
Okay, nothing has happened. And nothing has happened.
بس ما صار له شيء.
That's a pretty good sign. So far, they have survived the waist height drops. This is where pretty much everyone will be dropping their iPhone. This is fairly smooth, a little textured, concrete. Even so, did well. Okay.
عم بقول انه كله ماشي حاله. هلا بدي ارفع المكان لاعلى نحو وشه. يا لطيف.
Wow, that hit this actual back. I swear that something's really weird about these. They're unbalanced. I can usually drop them fairly well. 3, 2, 1. You don't like to hit the side, but perfect still. I'm amazed. 3.
ما صار له شيء. هلا على جنبه.
SIM card tray came out. That's a first.
SIM card طار. ايوه.
3, 2, 1. All right. Nothing. How? Okay. So
ما صار شيء.
Never happened before, but the impact literally ejected the SIM card tray.
بقول انه طلع السيم كارد.
I'm really starting to believe that world's strongest glass. The fact that it's milled out of one single piece is amazing. No scratches, scuffs.
شوية خدوش عم بيقول. هلا من الوش بدي ارميه على ظهره من نحو وشه. Oh my god.
Not broken. That's amazing. And the 11 Pro Max. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my
That
god.
sounds bad. Mute switch went off again. Nothing.
ما صار لهم شيء من نحو وشه لتحت على الارض على ظهرهم ما صار لهم شيء.
Just luck, they genuinely are durable. And the face down. So from head height, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Not broken. And the 11 Pro Max in 3.
على ال 11 برو ماكس
What? They've been dropped.
ما صار لهم شيء على الوجه على الظهر ما صار لهم شيء من نحو.
Nothing. You can't call that a coincidence. Apple has definitely put in the effort to make these durable. Now, yes, I'd still recommend a case because the stainless steel
بس خدوش بسيطة بس.
with a heavy impact. See if Face ID still works. It looks good to me.
عم جربهم هلا الفيس اي دي والكاميرا الأمامية.
Okay, perfect. Now we gotta go higher as
هلا بده يطلع لفوق.
bring over the ladder, get as much height as possible here, almost 10 feet, both beautiful and durable.
Oh my god.
Here we go. In 3, 2,
يا لطيف.
that's the side, and once more. 3, 2, 1. Quite an impact.
فظيع.
So, we've buckled the actual stainless steel border that has broken inwards, yet the glass
عم
is
بقول
still
الستانلس ستيل.
the 11, same thing, 11 Pro, nothing has happened. Very badly dented stainless steel border, yet no damage.
الستانلس ستيل على الداير. اوه على الظهر.
More on the back. And 3, 2, 1.
iPhone sandwich. I thought I heard
Oh, there it is.
تكسر.
So, wow, that
ظهر
took
انكسر.
drops just to get to this point, and the 11 has broke on the front. That was a little of a weird fall. They both hit each other. Maybe
ال 11 برو انكسر من قدام برو ماكس. البرو العادي من الظهر.
something had to budge. But that's what it took. So near 10 feet and repeatedly had to do it twice just to break it. Now, when this glass does break, let's see the situation. So it's definitely sticking out, and there's a very weird color shift effect going on in the cracks here. Wow, that's very interesting. So Apple's coating there is peeling off. And yeah, so this is not like Gorilla Glass where it's not sharp. You're definitely going to be cutting your fingers on this when it does break. In the lens, surprisingly, nothing really bad has happened here. This took so much effort just to get here. On the front, it's a lot smoother, so no jutting pieces here. You can still use it normally. The entire phone is a little warped, like it's bent.
تم شغال الايفون.
So Apple, you did really, really good with this glass. Would I still recommend a case? 100%. And I hope to offer the best here very shortly. And let's total these. Let's go all the way. 11 last test on the screen in 3, 2, 1. Nice little hop. And rear impact for the 11 Pro Max. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that did it. Okay, so this one has a gnarly mess going around the camera lens.
But it took such an impact for
انطحن البرو ماكس بالواقع.
It's ridiculous. They made the screen
انطحن يعني.
too good. The front didn't even break on this one after almost 10-foot drop. So I am actually very shocked at the durability of these phones. Apple did fantastic. You know, still use a case. You want to protect it, but know that in the rare
عم بيقولوا إنه استخدموا كيس كفر عشان تعمل له حماية.
optimal situations, not too jagged, you'll be just fine. Until that one time happens when you get out of bed and drop it a foot and it shatters, like always. The last thing I want to test is if Face ID is working, which it appears it is, still fast as ever. This one actually did crack in one area earlier. Gotta mention that. The cameras are still working. Telephoto, wide angle.
كاميرات كلها شغالة عم جربهم.
So there's a crack there, but still looks good. But anyways, guys, there it is. Now be sure to check out.
كله شغال. خلص الفيديو. طبعا اذا عجبكم هذا الفيديو بتمنى تعملوا لنا لايك وسبسكرايب، واذا حابين نوع تاني من هذا الفيديوهات ياريت تخبرونا. اذا حابين نعملكم نحن شيء، او اذا انتم حابين نحن نعمل رياكشن على شيء تاني. وكان معكم أشرف، شكرا كتير لمشاهدتكم. بتمنى يكون عجبكم الفيديو مرة تانية، والله يعطيكم ألف عافية. ولا تنسوا تحطوا لنا لايك وتحطوا لنا كومنت هيك على ذوقكم. شكرا كتير لكم.